स्टार वो होता है जो आपकी पिक्चर कुछ बुरी है फ्लॉप हो जाए, वो समझ में आती है। बट फ्राइडे को तो हाउसफुल करो, किस बात के इतने पैसे ले रहे हो यार?
पर बहुत सारी पिक्चरें 1000 करोड़ कमा लेती है ना।
वो देखो 1000 करोड़ में सच कितना है आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है। लेट्स नॉट गो देयर अगेन।
थैंक यू सर एंड आई ब्लेस यू फ्रॉम माय हार्ट।
क्योंकि जब पिक्चर चलती है ना स्टार की, तो स्टार की चलती है और फ्लॉप होती है फिल्म मेकर की। तो अभी हमको मालूम है कि ये फिल्म चली हमारे वजह से। हमने फिल्म बनाई थी गुलाम, अरे वो आमिर खान की पिक्चर हिट हुई थी, मुकेश बड़े बने थे अफर, उसमें रानी मुखर्जी न्यू कमर थी, वो भूल गए।
आपकी ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है दैट यू डिड नॉट लाइक सो मच बट काफी चली?
नहीं मुश्किल है, बट आई कैन टेल यू व्हिच फिल्म आई डिडंट लाइक।
ओके, व्हिच फिल्म डिड यू नॉट लाइक?
सड़क 2, आई हेटेड इट।
इसकी अब छोटी-छोटी क्लिपिंग्स बनाओ।
अब मैं आज जेल सो सकती हूँ। मुकेश भट्ट डिड नॉट लाइक सड़क 2।
हाँ, वो बच को कैप्शन कहे, बाकी सब छोड़ दिया, शायरी सब भूल गए। There were 3 interviews today. Yours was the only good one. And I mean it, huh? Again, no, such.
सर आपने मेरी आंखों में देख लिया है, स्पार्क देख लिया है।
No joke. Because you were so spontaneous and so this, you made me interact with you.
Thank you so
The
much.
others were, you know, yeah, it was like the same old question. When were you born? Why were you born? Why are you born? Why don't you die? The same thing. Hi, this is Mukesh Bhatt.
Hi, this is Divya Khosla.
Hi, I'm Abhinay Dev.
And you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.
Savi is on Netflix, but the team is on Bollywood Hangama with me, Urmin. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you all doing? And congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
क्या है ना कि आई एम श्योर यू विल अग्री टू दिस अभिनय दैट जब एक थ्रिलर पिक्चर आती है तो वो देखने के बाद बड़ा पेट में रखना पड़ता है, अब सब देख सकते हैं, तो नाउ डिस्कशंस कैन हैपन व्हिच इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट. हाउ डज इट फील? दिव्या, प्लीज टेल अस, how is the response, international response feeling?
Very, very excited, thankful, grateful, lots of thanks to the God above, the Almighty. We are trending at #1 in 15 countries, जिसमें there is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, Oman, Kuwait, Malaysia, Singapore and Maldives, Mauritius. I hope I have not missed anything. So at #1 we've been trending इतने दिनों में, and of course #5 की लिस्ट में बहुत सारी countries में, #10 की लिस्ट में बहुत सारी countries में, globally #5 पे. So I would like to say thank you audience, thank you God and thank you to my mother.
ये जो प्योर मेहनत है ना वो रंग लाई है. आई थिंक हमारी मुलाकात हुई थी विद द टू ऑफ यॉल बिफोर द फिल्म रिलीज. मुकेश सर, इट्स एन ऑनर टू बी हियर इन द सेम रूम व्हाइल यू आर लुकिंग एट मी एंड चिट चैटिंग. सो आई एम रियली ओवरवेल्म्ड. सो सबसे पहले तो थैंक यू फॉर 75 प्लस फिल्म्स, इफ आई मे से सो.
I'm 75 films young.
यंग ऑफ कोर्स.
Yeah.
अब कल की तो बात थी.
Yeah.
एक सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी दैट इन द टाइम्स वेयर यू नो सम ऑफ द मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ any kind of content goes to nudity, there is foul language, item songs. This film is a clean thriller and, may I say so, mythological thriller. What do you think was the reason that it has worked so much and touched so many hearts?
It's a very simple thing. When you make something from the heart, it comes with a certain sense of purity,
Yeah.
a certain responsibility, a certain commitment to make a wholesome narrative for the entire family. Where, when I make a film, it's very important for me that when I'm watching my film, I can sit next to my sister or my mother or anybody, or a child also. It should not embarrass me or make me feel uncomfortable. I feel that is very important for me as a filmmaker.
Okay.
And that's what I do. And contrary to what many, I don't like to go into that kind of a controversial debate or discussion. A lot of people feel that, you know, putting a lot of cuss words and putting all this kind of so-called obscene pelvic movement, dancing and all that, that gives you the numbers of the box office. I feel this rubbish. The biggest hits India has seen has been family entertainers. You look at Hum Aapke Kaun, look at Hum, Maine Pyar Kiya and all that. They have all been family entertainers. So that is a wrong belief, what people say. And I am committed to a larger section of the audience because that's where I come from and that's where I belong.
So, but we couldn't watch Murder with family.
No, Murder, see, listen, Murder had a Malika Sharawat, but Murder doesn't give, see, there is a difference between erotism and vulgarity. So, if there is, you can make the most lyrical love-making scene in a film, and it will be lyrical, and you can make the most obnoxious, vulgar, cheap. It's the eye, how you want to capture it. So that is very important. I don't think so. There's any portion, though Malika was there and she was a very sensuous actress of her times then, but there was no vulgarity in the film per se that way. She was presented very sensuously. And that's what I did within Bipasha and Raz.
Yeah.
Or for that matter, Jacqueline in Murder too. So if a girl is attractive and she is sensuous and we present that in the nice way, not in a vulgar way, not in a cheap way, I don't think so that becomes something which is jarring to the eye.
Very, very true. May I also say that, it was just the perfect
Let
cast.
me add one thing to this. When these films were made and when I showed to the censors, not a single shot was objected to, and the film got a UA. That means there were ladies in the committee watching the film. They didn't feel offended by any shot that it's vulgar or it's cheap. So that was my litmus test. And if somebody had said, I would have not blinked my eye, I would have cut it. Because that is not my intent. As a filmmaker, that's not my intent.
It's great to see the kind of love that this film is getting. I watched it in the theatre, and definitely now to have it on OTT, what does that mean to you, Abhinay?
I want to just add to that. Yesterday I was just traveling from the airport and वो security check जब हो रहा था, that woman got so emotional to see me. She was like, आपने मेरा दिन बना दिया, क्या picture किया आपने? And she was really like folding her hands, and it got me so emotional, and I just hugged her, and she's like, मेरी पूरी family ने साथ बैठकर देखी और आपने इतनी साफ सुथरी film बनाई है. Thank you ma'am. इतना ज़्यादा वो emotionally वो हो रही थी, मतलब things like these touch you so much. So we are so happy that yeah.
How do you react to your fans getting emotional? Do you get emotional with them?
I also get emotional seeing that overflow of love, and actually इतना ज़्यादा आ रहा है कि मैं भूल भी जाती हूँ, मुझे याद नहीं रहता, but there have been messages from so many different and even release भी जब हुई थी तब people तब से it's been on the the flow, the josh has been on. So तब से women, that time also women from Jaipur, from FICCI, they put on the Insta that Savi inspires women, Savi empowers women. So I feel so happy that our film is really empowering women, and they have been videos I put on my Instagram also. कोई लोग videos बना के भेज रहे थे कि this film teaches us कि किसी भी औरत को कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए. तो when a film becomes that kind of a drive, जैसे बाकी countries में भी there's that emotion that's touching them, that emotion of a strong woman or एक housewife जिसको हम इतना ले लेते हैं कि as if she's just had not got any talent or anything, but it's the housewife जो इतने strength होती है जिसके अंदर, and like to protect her family she does everything, and that's the truth.
Is there another mythological character that you'd like to work on, given a choice, and connect it to thriller?
Our mythology is so rich, is so spectacular, that I would, if you literally, I would love to make films on so many of the mythological characters. As a matter of fact, पूरी दुनिया ना Avengers देखती है और बोलती है अरे देखो, there is such great this thing in Captain America, there is Thor, there is this. I agree, there are great films and very good characters. Do they even realize that Indian mythology has about 100 of those characters? So I personally feel that whether it's as a thriller or as a children's movie or as a movie for the adults to watch, I think our mythology is full of super rich and extremely powerful characters, which whether women or men, which we must make on. make films on, and sometimes in a modern form, sometimes in the original form. It doesn't matter. I think we should draw from it. I would like to make films on many of such characters.
In fact, this year we've seen a lot. Kalki was an example.
Exactly.
Hanuman, I think, which came
Yeah,
was
yeah.
also a
Very
great
big.
example of it. Mukesh sir, this is a question for you. That in so many wonderful films that have seen the light of single screen to now multiplex. In your professional opinion, please tell us, what do you feel of the OTT culture? What is that one ingredient that decides कि ये film, क्योंकि आजकल OTT पर भी release हो रही है directly instead of getting into theaters. तो आपके हिसाब से what should be the reason that it should have an OTT release and not a single screen or a multiplex theater release?
It depends on the kind of subject you select. There are certain subjects which are definitely OTT centric, not made for the large screen. So, in deciding what kind of a story you're telling, you have to decide the window. But having said that, as a filmmaker, I very strongly feel that what is happening now is a very wrong and a dangerous trend,
Right.
which I would not like to discuss. We'll discuss sometime. I'll give you time and we'll talk on that, because that's a long.
But can there be a scare
that's a
of
long thing.
films only releasing on OTT?
No, you see, so what has happened in the industry has got destroyed by this trend. You see, the two foreign companies have come. They're like the East India Company, who have come and destroyed the whole economy. I'm a very blunt person. You know, people don't like me for that, but then too late to change now. So take it as it is. So I feel that, see, as a filmmaker, I feel that every filmmaker should, when he's selecting a script, or he's writing a script, or getting a scene shot by his director,
Yeah.
his one intent should be, which was mine till the very late. I'm making this for that man who's going to buy my cinema hall ticket. And what I am shooting, will he clap seeing that scene? Will he laugh seeing that scene? Will he cry seeing that scene?
Yeah.
That was my most important primal responsibility, to evoke every kind of an emotion, whether it's thrill, whether it's comedy, whether it's fear. I must evoke that in him. So I worked with that intent, single intent, and that was very important to determine the success of a film.
Yeah.
Now that has gone. Now the unfortunate so-called filmmakers are making what the OTT executives would like. Hello, that's not your audience.
Right.
That's your window. A filmmaker has to be committed to only one person, that's his audience. We made Savvy with the audience in mind. And that's why it's delivering. After a long, long time today, I'm getting messages from my doctors, from my friends who are from my school days. Can you imagine school days? I'm 71 years old today. I'm talking about that means good 50 years back, 60 years back. They found that you my number and said, hey, I saw your movie Savvy. At the end, the rolling comes and we knew it's your movie. I said, hey, this is apna Mukesh ka picture hai. And they send me messages. That is what is unpurchasable feedback.
Very well said, sir.
Asli kamai, asli dhan ye hai.
You know, you've been the master of giving so many opportunities to newcomers. Who is this one actor that you would say you've had like the best debut and you're so proud of? कि भाई इनकी शुरुआत आपसे हुई.
I'll be very unfair if I single out one person, because you know, when a new actor comes, they come with certain amount of innocence. They come with certain amount of thirst. They come with certain amount of hunger. And certain amount of zeal and enthusiasm, not to prove to the world, but to prove to themselves how good they are. I get very moved by that kind of a feeling. And then if you cherry pick that, no, this one felt more and this one felt less, it's being very unfair. You cannot be judgmental in that. I'm not trying to be diplomatic. I'm a very blunt person in these matters. But it is impossible for me to say that this is my best debut. They all in their own ways gave their 200%. That's why they became whatever they became. You cannot be. See, I can be the zaria, the platform, but ultimately, for you to reach your destiny is your own sincerity, your hard work and talent. She was sincere. She came and she had only one line when before you started the film. She knew I had the script, and she was intelligent enough to know that I've got a script which is so good for a woman. So she came to me and very honestly she came and told me, I want to do the film, sir, whatever it costs for me to do it. Give me one opportunity and I'll not let you down. When I saw her eyes when she said that, give me one opportunity and I promise you I won't let you down. वो गले में ईमानदारी थी, प्यास थी, भूख थी, that is unpurchasable. And I knew that I had more confidence.
You're just getting emotional.
It's making me
I was
cry.
more confident than her that she will deliver. She was unsure कि मैं कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. She used to ask the director कि मैं ठीक हो रहा है ना? Is it okay? Because she was wanting to give more. Her need, her desire, her cravings to give it more, and that is what made Savvy.
But you know, it's also the recognition. Like, I have been in the industry, right? I was looking for this opportunity, but people don't really give you that opportunity. So I think the credit really goes to Sir for being so genuine, because दुनिया बहुत selfish है and people हर कोई अपना फायदा सोचता है इस दुनिया में, and industry में especially हर कोई अपना फायदा देखता है कि how will this help me? You know, people want to cast big stars because it will help them, it will escalate their project. But Sir gave me that opportunity when I had still not proven myself as an actor. So I think credit goes to him, and he decided to go. He could have got any A-lister actress. Yeah. So I think thank you, Sir, and I bless you from my heart.
क्योंकि जब पिक्चर चलती है ना स्टार की, तो स्टार की चलती है और फ्लॉप होती है फिल्म मेकर की. तो अभी हमको मालूम है कि ये फिल्म चली हमारे वजह से. इसमें कोई गलतफहमी नहीं है. हमें क्या होता है? हमने फिल्म बनाई थी गुलाम. अरे वो आमिर खान की पिक्चर हिट हुई थी. क्या बड़े बने थे कफर. उसमें रानी मुखर्जी न्यू कमर थी, वो भूल गए. तो चलती स्टार की फ्लॉप होती हुई. स्टार का फ्लॉप नहीं था. स्टार वो मेकर बहुत खराब था यार. वो स्टार नहीं. गाली दो अभी जो लाइन से फ्लॉप हुई है बड़े लोग, वो उनको गाली.
कौन सी फिल्म
अपने आप को स्टार बोलते हैं.
Which films are you talking about?
Why should I don't want to go there?
You said you are very blunt.
ये बड़े लोग. I don't want to hurt people. I'm very blunt, but I don't want to hurt people. आप जैसे अभी जो आई है ना, आपको मालूम है आई है, तो उसको पूछो ना.
नहीं सर, कौन सी
आप अपने आप को एक बात बताओ मेरे को. आप अपने आप को बोलते हैं स्टार, और मांगते हो 70 करोड़ 80 करोड़ जो भी मांगते हो. 400 आदमियों का एक छोटा मिनी थिएटर होता है मल्टीप्लेक्स, उसको 10% ओपनिंग लगती है. तो किस बात के स्टार हो आप? स्टार वो होता है जो आपकी पिक्चर पूछी बुरी है फ्लॉप हो जाए, वो समझ में आती है. बट फ्राइडे को तो हाउसफुल करो. किस बात के इतने पैसे ले रहे हो यार? दैट इज द ट्रेजेडी ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. Our job is to manufacture glamour and not to become a victim of it. This is what is happening. I'm talking to you. I'm only 54 years in the film industry. I started working from the age of 17. I'm 71. And what experience teaches you? What not to do.
Yeah.
Not what to do.
Correct.
So, जो सुनेगा अपना भला करेगा, हमको कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
Is there an actor in recent time who you feel has the same sincerity that you were just mentioning?
Unfortunately, it doesn't exist.
Nobody in recent time?
And I don't blame them for it. The industry gives you a long rope and then hangs you. I don't blame a star for what the star does, because he, poor fellow, or she is cut off from the real world. They are surrounded by yes men around them.
But what about the pressure nowadays of always being on
Yes
top?
men. No, but
do you want to add to this?
सच बोलने वाला होता नहीं है. You know, if you want to really do good to yourself, you must keep people who will. I always tell people, tell me bitter truths than beautiful lies.
That's true.
Because bitter truths will save me. Beautiful lies will destroy me. Though comforting to the ear, but will destroy me. So intelligence is to say, भाई सच बोल मेरे को यार, झूठ मत बोल. When my film released, I said, I'm showing you my film. Please do me a favor of ripping it apart if you don't like it. क्योंकि मुझे सच सुनने की, आई एम ब्लेस्ड, सुनने की शक्ति है.
Lovely.
I don't have blind spot for my child. I look at it very starkly.
That's great.
That's
Great learning.
luckily I'm blessed with that gift that I can see things as they are. I don't delude myself.
I just want to say thank you so much to the three of you all for giving us time, for giving us a heartfelt movie, and for constantly having that urge to try and do better and make better cinema.
That's the only way.
That's better.
That's the only way. I always say the illiterate of the 21st century are not those who cannot read and write, but those who are not willing to unlearn and relearn. We have to unlearn and relearn all that time. With the times changing outside as we are talking, we should change with the times. Those people who don't change with their times get lost behind. So you should learn to dismantle yourself every time and restructure yourself. And that's the beauty of it,
How nice.
that process. The process
Process में ही सब कुछ
the
है.
process is in the journey,
Yeah.
not in the destination.
Destination. Because it's always going to be a
The
constant
journey has to be, see, making a hit or flop is not in your hands.
Yeah.
But making is the journey. Hit and flop, you don't know. But at least making में तो enjoy करो यार. उस पे भी सफर कर रहे हो. तो भी क्यों बना रहे हो यार? एंड हमारे हाथ में है नहीं. इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद फ्लॉप होती है या हिट होती है. और मेकिंग तो हमारे हाथ में है. उसको तो एंजॉय करो.
पर बहुत सारी पिक्चरें 1000 करोड़ कमा लेती है ना.
वो देखो 1000 करोड़ में सच कितना है आपको भी पता है, मुझे भी पता है. लेट्स नॉट गो देयर अगेन. तो फिर अपना वो फजिंग वाली फिगर, ग्रॉस कलेक्शन बोलेंगे, फिर उसमें पॉपकॉर्न का भी सेल ऐड कर दिया, और साइकिल के पार्क हुई थी वो साइकिल वाले का भी ऐड कर दिया, कार पार्क का भी. तो क्यों इन्फ्लेटेड फिगर्स, ये सब झूठ बोलने का काम अपना नहीं है. हाँ? उनको
अरे कैमरा से पीछे आवाज आ रही है.
उनको उनकी दुनिया मुबारक हो, हमको तो शोभा नहीं देता. हम खुश है जहाँ है.
Thank you so much for this entertaining conversation.
Yeah, I also remember जब हमारा box office start हुआ था तो सर ने मुझे कहा I don't believe in one thing. I have not done for any of my films. I'm not going to do it. Is announced inflated collections.
अब मेरे को
I've never done it in my life. I'm not going
इतना
to.
इन्फ्लेट है ऐसे मैंने से बोला you are dialing a wrong number. कि मैं से वो झूठ है.
Dialing a wrong number.
मैं से वो झूठ बोला नहीं जाएगा कि मैंने ट्राई किया था एक दो बार. मेरे को बोला था लोगों ने मेरे जान ना कि यहाँ क्या है, कभी कभी बिजनेस में झूठ बोलना रहेगा. एक बुजुर्ग आदमी ने कहा था, तो मैंने भी सुना, मैं यार ये बुजुर्ग बोल रहे हुए कि कभी कभी बिजनेस में झूठ बोलना तो नॉट बैड, बोल देना चाहिए. मैंने ट्राइड, और मैंने ट्राई किया तो मैं हकलाने लगा, स्टैमरिंग. तो मुझे हमने बैठा था, बोला ये मुकेश भट्ट तो हकलाता नहीं है, आज हकला, व्हाई इज ही स्टैमरिंग. एंड देन इट dawned on him कि तू झूठ बोल रहा है. And I felt like somebody has caught me when I patched down.
Oh,
I said, yeah, I'm saying lies. And then he told me a very nice thing, the other fellow. तो एक बुजुर्ग ने बोला झूठ बोलो, दूसरा जो सीनियर था उसने बोला कि झूठ मत बोल, क्योंकि जब झूठ बोलेगा तेरे को याद रखना पड़ेगा कि तूने लास्ट टाइम झूठ क्या बोली थी. मगर तू सच बोलेगा तो तेरे को कोई स्टोरेज की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तू सच बोल रहा है तो कभी भी उसने कोई तो वही बात बोलेगा क्योंकि सच है. इट वाज सो राइट. मैं इतना हल्का फील किया वो एडवाइस देगा. उसके बाद मैंने बोला कि यार ये झूठ नाम की चीज़ अपने डिक्शनरी के बाहर.
एक सच बताएंगे.
हाँ बस वही बताऊंगा.
आपकी ऐसी कौन सी फिल्म है that you did not like so much but काफी चली?
सर चली, which I didn't like so much but काफी चली. नहीं मुश्किल है, but I can tell you which film I didn't like.
Okay, which film did you not like?
सड़क 2.
Sadak 2.
I hated it. Again blunt truth.
Loved it.
सर ने वायरल कर दिया इस इंटरव्यू को. This is gonna go.
Done. और क्या चाहिए?
इसके अब छोटी छोटी क्लिपिंग्स बनाओ.
अब मैं आज चैन से सो सकती हूँ. छोटे छोटे क्लिप
छोटी छोटी क्लिप्स बनाओ, डालते रहो. पोस्ट बस हंगामा के हैंडल कर.
अभी तो हेडलाइन ने बना दिया बाबा, घर में महाभारत हो जाएगा.
Mukesh Bhatt did not like Sadak 2.
हाँ बोले बच्चों कैप्शन करे बाकी सब छोड़ दिया शायरी सब भूल गए वो सब नहीं करना होगा.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Really, it's been a pleasure. I'm so glad I waited for this. Thank
But
you.
let me also compliment you.
Yes, sir.
There were 3 interviews today. Yours was the only good one. And I mean it, huh? Again, no, such.
Sir, आपने मेरी
No
आंखों
joke.
में देख लिया है, spark देख लिया है.
No joke. Because you were so spontaneous and so you made me interact with you.
Thank you
The
so much.
others were, you know,
Yeah.
it was like the same old question. When were you born? Why were you born? Why are you born? Why don't you die? The same thing. You know? Boring. Extremely boring.
When were you born? Why were you born? Why were you born? When will you die?
Die. Finish. Interview over. इतना बोल इसलिए मैं घड़ी बात उसको अरमान को बेचारे को पकड़ I'm going home. I'm going home.
I cannot believe that the camera is still on. AC बंद कर दिया लेकिन कैमरा चल रहा है.
There is no single innovative question, no single spontaneous. There's some question which comes spontaneously while talking. There's a spontaneous question. No, you know that भाई next scene कौन सा होता है boring picture.
हाँ.
क्या फर्स्ट सीन में मालूम पड़ता है इंटरवल क्या होगा क्लाइमैक्स क्या होगा यू नो वो ऐसा अरे अरे यार
Oh my God, I'm going to go home singing the song. When were you born? Why were you born? Thank you once again. मुकेश जी और कुछ बोलना तो बोल दीजिए मैं आप सब पास.
आज के लिए हो
I
गया.
have said, this is the first time in an interview I've said thank you 3 times, but the content is just flowing. Sir, are you sure? Cut कर.
मैं अरमान को जाऊंगा
लिंक भी डाल देना, वायरल हो जाएगा.
मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा.
Hi, this is Mukesh Bhatt.
Hi, this is Divya Khosla,
Hi, I'm Abhinay Dev.
and you're watching us on Bollywood Hangama.